In this video, we'll be going over how to install Google Chrome Remote Desktop on your Mac. This allows you to share your screen with myself and others. First, we'll open Google Chrome. At the top of the window in the address bar, type in remotedesktop.google.com/support and press Enter. At the top of the screen, where it says Share this screen, click on the blue download button to the right to download Chrome Remote Desktop. When you click this, the Chrome Web Store will open and ask you to add Chrome Remote Desktop to Chrome. Click on the button in the top right, Add to Chrome. This pop-up tells you what Chrome Remote Desktop can do on your computer. To proceed, click Add Extension. The Chrome Remote Desktop app should automatically start downloading. You'll then see a button in the right that now says Accept and Install. Click this to continue installation. At the top of the window, you'll see another pop-up. Click Yes. This continues the installation. Double-click on the icon called Chrome Remote Desktop Host in the window that should automatically open. To install Google Remote Desktop, click Continue in the bottom right corner of the window. This window tells you how much space Google Chrome Remote Desktop will take up on your computer. Click Install to continue. You might then be prompted with a window to put in your computer password. Put in your password and click Install Software. The installation should now automatically continue, and when finished, close. When it's done, you should see this message that says Chrome Remote Desktop is now installed. You can click Generate Code to begin sharing your screen with myself and others, or share your screen at another time by visiting remotedesktop.google.com/support. That's how you install Google Remote Desktop on your Mac. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn more about using your computer confidently, I also offer personalized one-on-one remote help. To learn more, visit athomecomputertutor.com or call 908-875-4627 to set up your free 30-minute consultation today.